Hi, Nick! Happy birthday! Natagak kong kamera. But anyways, bisag natagak pa, magigpaunsa pa ang tanan kalibutan mo. Greet jud ko nimo, Nick. So anyways, Nick, happy birthday. Let's party because it's your birthday. You're the debutante for tonight. Anyways, Nick, God bless your birthday. Have a great, wonderful night because tonight's your night. And yeah, nakoy pom. A little pom. Wama ko nag-greet. Ako manghod. Kanang social sa amo sa akong klase. Wala ko na sa maestro kay naghimo ko pom nimo. So, Karnik, si Nikki Mir. Diba? Si Nikki Mir mag 18 this year. You're not getting old and do not fear. So don't worry, my dear. So Nick, happy birthday. God bless and hope you all the best. Have a good one, great night, and happy birthday, debutante. Bye, Nick.